In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Aster DEX. Now, the first thing you want to do is you need to go to Aster DEX's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And then if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now here, whenever you are on the Aster DEX here, you can just go ahead and connect the wallet. If you don't know how to do this, you can just watch any of my videos on my channel. I have a tutorial on how to connect any separate wallet possible. So go watch that, and once you connect your wallet, you want to then deposit some funds onto your wallet here. So for example, some USDT on the Solana chain or something like that, whatever you want to deposit. And then here you can go ahead and trade perpetuals. You can select what you want to trade over here, and then you can go ahead and buy or long or sell or short over here on the right hand side, select different order types, etc. You can go ahead and use their leverage trading over here if that's something you want, or you can go ahead and do some spot trading as well over here by transferring the funds from your perpetual to spot account, and then you can do your trading on here as well. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.